Maddie! Look out! Come on! Hey! Look out! Hey, over here! You okay? Let me see the leg. Let me see your leg. It looks...
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Hey! Don't move! Where's Harvey?
He's in there. We might be stuck. There is no way that bird's leaving if we're up here.
There's ranch house just up there.
All right. I mean, if we find weapons in there, we can maybe get past that guard, but what are we gonna do about that?
I have an idea. Hey, you big chicken, come and get me! See how excited it gets when I scream?
Yeah, I don't like it.
So I recorded myself screaming into my phone. I press repeat, and then I throw it as far as I can that way.
You really think that's gonna work?
It's worth a shot.
All right, but we're gonna have to be quick. If that bird goes after the phone, I mean, those things are clocking in at well over 20 miles an hour.
Let's just hope my arm gives us a good enough head start.
All right.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you big chicken, come and get me! Hey, you big chicken, come and get me! Hey, you big chicken, come and get me!
I don't hear anything.
Probably so far away you can't hear it.
That works.
Hey, you big chicken, come and get me! Keys!
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. I don't see it. Must still be out in the field.
Okay. Any sign of that thing taking a step towards us, and I'm back in the van, okay?
Anything?
No, let me try the other one. Still over there?
Yeah. Wait.
What do you mean, wait?
Justin? I think you should get back into the van. Right now. How are we gonna open that thing?
We're not.
What?
We're gonna smash right through it.
Are you crazy? This isn't the movies. That could be reinforced steel or something. Justin, don't do it!
Damn it! Look in the bag. Maybe they have another gun.
I don't see one. There's dynamite.
Bring that over here. Hey, you prehistoric overblown turkey! Come and get me! Okay, do it. Here it comes. Go, go, go.